discussing an important topic, that is Operation Blackboard. Operation Blackboard. That's our today's topic, Operation Blackboard. Actually, Operation Blackboard or OB is a central government sponsored scheme. It's a central government sponsored scheme. Its aims on to improve the quality of primary education. Its main aim is to improve the quality of primary education. It also aims to achieve universalization of elementary education. It also focuses on to achieve universalization of elementary education by means of improving the quality of primary education. So in this class we are going to learn more detail about Operation Blackboard. The main aim of Operation Blackboard is to achieve universal elementary education or universalization of elementary education. UEE, universalization of elementary education. UEE. In order to improve the quality of primary education, Operation Blackboard focus on improving the quality of primary education. Yeah, it's a central government sponsored program and it was started in 1987 in order to improve the quality of primary education. Let's see what are the important aims of Operation Blackboard or OB. Operation Blackboard or OB. The first aim is providing minimum essential facilities to all primary schools. Providing minimum essential facilities to all primary schools. It may be good classrooms, infrastructural facilities, library, separate toilet facilities for boys and girls. And second aim is promoting adult literacy. And the third aim is opening new schools for especially girls. Opening new schools especially for girls. And the fourth aim is providing education to urban slum childs. Providing education to urban slum childs. Let's see what are the three important components of Operation Blackboard. What are the three important components of Operation Blackboard? Operation Blackboard focusing on these three important components. Let's see what are they. For improving the quality of education, these three components are essential. Let's see what are they. The first one is provision of at least 2 teachers in a primary school. Provision of at least 2 teachers. One teacher must be woman. Provision of at least 2 teachers. One is woman in every primary school. And the second component is provision of at least 2 reasonably large classrooms. Providing 2 reasonably large classrooms with wide area veranda. And also provide separate toilet facilities for boys and girls. And the third component is providing essential teaching and learning material. Provision of essential teaching and learning material. If you want to improve the quality of education, good teaching and learning material is required. So these are the three components of Operation Blackboard. Then, in order to improve the quality of education, one more important thing is needed. That is the quality of the teacher. An important term and important thing needed to improve the quality of education is well qualified and trained teacher. Well qualified and trained teacher. So in order to improve the quality of education, it is essential to provide pre-service training and in-service training to teachers. To provide pre-service training and in-service training to teachers. I think all of you cleared the concept. So share this video with your friends. So let's see in our next class with another topic. Thank you.